'cause I could draw how my uncle was and I kept my room straight. I told my mom, tears rushing down my face. She's like, man, you love girls since before pre-K, tripping. Yeah, I guess she had a point, didn't she? A bunch of stereotypes all in my head. I remember doing the math like, yeah, I'm good at Little League, a preconceived idea of what it all meant.
For those that like the same sex, have the characteristics. The right-wing conservatives think it's a decision, and you can be trained for some treatment in religion. Man-made rewiring of a predisposition, playing God. Now here we go. America the brave still fears what we don't know. God loves all his children is somehow forgot because we paraphrase a book written 3,500 years ago. I don't know. And I can't change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
If I was gay, I would think hip-hop hates me. Have you read those YouTube comments lately? Man, that's gay gets dropped on the daily. We become so numb to what we're saying. A culture founded from oppression, yet we don't have acceptance form. We call each other gay behind the keys of a message board. A word we didn't hate, yet our John still ignores it. Gay is synonymous with the lesser.
Same page. It's caused wars from religion, gender, skin, color, complexion of your pigment. Same fight that's led people to walkouts and insanity. It's human rights for everyone. There is no difference. Live on. Be yourself. When I was in church, they taught me something else. Preach hate at the service. Those words weren't anointed. The holy water that you soak in has been poisoned. When everyone else is more comfortable remaining voiceless, rather fighting for those who have had their rights stolen. I might not be the same. That's not important. No freedom till damn right I support it.
And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
We push play, we press pause, progress, we march on. With the veil over our eyes, we turn our back on the cause. Until the day that my uncles can be united by law. Kids will walk around the hallway, plagued by pain in their heart. A world so hateful, some would rather die than be who they are.
And a certificate on paper isn't going to solve it all, but it's a damn good place to start. No law is going to change us. We have to change us. Whatever God you believe in, come from the same one. Strip away the fear,